Hey, friends. So today we're going to Marshall's. Y'all, for some reason, I don't know why. I don't really go to Marshalls that much, and I don't get it because I love Home Goods and I love TJ Maxx, but for some reason I just don't go to Marshalls. So today I'm going to Marshalls to see what they got. So come join me if you like shopping like Mansa. Let's go for it. Oh my goodness, they have so much stuff. You know, I love purses. I love purses so much, especially now that I'm building up my smaller purse collection. Oh, look at that one. It is so cute. So, I mean, the variety, the color scheme, whatever's your style, color or neutrals, they got it. They got a lot of kid stuff. And I particularly like this little baby shark. It was so good. In my next vlog, you will see that I actually had to go back with the kids to go buy it because I did not get it on this day. I had to go in with them and they tried it. So this is really cute. I love it, love it. So if you got kids that like all these characters, you can go for it. It's a really nice sneakers for really affordable prices. They got it over there at Marshalls. And of course, let me tell you, y'all, I told you I'm building up on my small purse collection. And this green right here, if you know me, you know I'm not a lover of green. But you see this green right here? This green is so gorgeous, so beautiful. I could not pass upon it. I had to get this purse. I was looking at it, and it's this brand, Dune, London. It's really nice. I only see it at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I only see it there. I got one of their purses, which everybody likes. I think it's a leopard print, and it's so gorgeous. So I had to just grab this purse. I love it. And another thing I love about Marshalls, it's just a wide variety of just, everyday stuff that you would need for your hair, for your skin, makeup, name it. They got a lot of variety. And I also like the fact that I could find really nice higher end brands for way less. Like Shea Moisture for my hair. I only use Shea Moisture products for my hair ever since I went natural back in 2014. I've always used Shea Moisture and nothing else on my hair. So yeah, and I also saw a lot of the brand Hot Tools. So flat iron, the curling wand, they got a lot of it. I was actually looking for not a blow dryer, but the hot comb. I could not find it. I went to Sally's Beauty and they were out. So I'm still looking for it. I might just have to end up ordering it online. So yeah, they had a wide variety. And here it is. This section, I love it for my kinky girls, our little black girls, melanated queens. They got so many different brands for black girls' hair. Love it. And this is, of course, my favorite section, Shea Moisture. I love it so much. I have transitioned my kids to Shea Moisture kids and they're loving it. This is the one I use for them, the mango. Oh, they love it. So yeah, any of these things that you want, you can find it at a way lower price than you will get it at Target or even Walmart or Walgreens. So always check out TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Even Ross be carrying these Shea Moisture products, even Dove products for way less than the price that you would have gotten it at a regular store. also checked out the home section. Of course, you know I love. I'm a sucker for kitchen stuff, and I found this cute enamel coated Dutch oven. So these are cast iron pots, and they are enamel coated, and they look really nice. I have red. I have a different type of blue, like a teal, but I don't have the green or this big size. So I love it. And of course, I always like this section for kitchen stuff. So I like this real one that says robin's eggs. This is for like an Easter stuff. Really nice canisters that you can have in your kitchen, and they also carry really affordable and nice quality cutlery, just silverware, name it, they got it. Guys, do not sleep on these stores. If you live in the US and you go to Marshalls or TJ Maxx or Home Goods, because they all, it's like a trio, they all are together, they're connected. I believe they're owned by the same people. Go for it, check them out. You will always find unique stuff. I buy all of my kitchen items. Most of them I buy from Home Goods, and some I do get from Ross as well. Just nice pieces, especially for my cooking channel, just to get that cute aesthetic that I'm looking for. They got it. And y'all, I found this cute Martha Stewart tulips. I really like these. They look so natural, and they feel so natural also to the touch. Really nice. And it even says it, real touch tulips. It's really nice. I like them. So this is on Saturday, and you know your girl gotta throw it down. I'm trying to make some okra soup. This, what you see right here, is just smoked catfish. That's just the head. I like to steam it at this point so that my stock will be so saturated with that flavor. So I always take it out after a few minutes. I also have some mackerel grilling in my oven to give it that smoky flavor. Love it, guys. I so love it. How you guys doing? I hope you're enjoying this vlog. If you are, please give it a thumbs up. The family. Are you making food for us? Mm-hmm. So I've added my palm oil, and in here I have different cuts of beef and also smoked turkey. And here is my freshly grilled mackerel. Guys, I just use my broil settings in my oven, and man, it gives it this really nice smoky flavor. And I also got my okra in there. Okra soup is my kid's favorite thing. I also added some shrimp because my little one likes them. What I have right here is smoked barracuda. Man, this thing right here is so good. It's a smoked fish, and the fish is called barracuda, and it's smoked. And all I did was so it comes dried. All I did was just run some hot water on it, and I deboned it, and I added to my African soups, and it is so delicious. the speakers.
Mommy, can I have a little? Can I have soda? That's not free.
So today is content filming day, and I had a request from Aunt's Cooking and More, my senior co-wife that I love so much. She wanted me to show how I set up for to record for my cooking channel. So this right here, I am using my Yongnuo. This is a 1.8 lens, so it's really zoomed in. And this is what I use, and I'm using my dummy battery, so I never run out of battery. So what I do, I don't use any lights. All I do is I invest in some really good lens. I know I remember telling somebody that I don't use any lights because they wanted a recommendation for lighting, and I told them I don't use any artificial lighting. What I do, I make sure that I film when the sun is not directly facing what I'm doing. So I need to, if you film earlier, you get the most out of it. You don't want to film when the sun is right in your face. It's just going to wash it out too much. So all I do is just play with my aperture and my ISO and make sure that I'm filming at the right rate, because I export at 1080p, if that makes any sense. So right here, I have all my ingredients laid out and measured out so that I don't make any mistake. So this is what it looks like. This is what you guys are seeing. So if you don't watch my cooking channel, this was what my cooking channel people would see. So you can see with all that background, they don't even see that it's so cropped in. This is the only part that they see. That is how good the lens is. I will put the details of the lens, and it's also in my description box if anybody wants to check out. Anybody that's wanting to invest in the YouTube channel and want to know what I use, I always have them listed below. In my description box, the lenses that I use different lenses for different things. This is not a vlogging lens. This is really cropped in. So I use this when I am filming these kind of videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And this is the end of the vlog. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.